Hey everyone, welcome back to Electrified Deliveries. Today is Friday, and as soon as I turned on the app, the offers started flooding in. I was getting trip radars going crazy. One I debated on, but then I passed, and this one came in. $9 and a penny for 20 minutes. I'm excited to get this night going. $9 start, let's do it. 987C3 Uber for Lauren. Perfect, thank you. So I'm en route to the drop-off, and Uber gives me an add-on, $8.11, 19 minutes, exactly the start I need. It's starting to rain a little bit. Hopefully it stays off, but let's go get some money. Hi, Uber Eats for Kagi. Kagi? Yes. Have a good night. I think a lot of drivers aren't out tonight because it's supposed to storm, have a lot of rain like last week, but I'm going out and I'm gonna try to fight through it as long as it's safe to do so. So Uber gave me this one right away, $14.67 for 36 minutes. They're both at Papa John's, so if they're ready, we can knock that time down and be over 30 bucks. $30, here we come. Hi, good. Uber Eats, 2 orders, Ralph and Mariah. 10 minutes? Okay, no problem. Thanks. Ralph and Mariah? I've just been here for a while. Ralph, I got Ralph. Yeah. And Mariah. Perfect. That's Ralph, Mariah. Perfect, thank you. Hi there. There you go, sir.
Thank you.
No problem. Enjoy.
Thank you.
Bye. Enjoy your dinner. So that last order took longer than expected. Unfortunately, I had to wait about 15 minutes. I was getting fed up. I went over to the counter and asked them. Thankfully, it was ready at that time. I got it delivered, but again, way longer. Didn't like that. But honestly, it did not matter. I haven't gotten anything after that. I started driving around trying to go to hotspot to hotspot. I was getting nothing but crappy orders and Uber timing me out like they do. Finally, thankfully, I got an amazing one. $10.23, 9 minutes. Yes, it's only 1.8 kilometers. I think we can all agree this is a great order. Let's go grab it. Hi, Uber Eats for Darren. Awesome, thank you. How you doing?
Good, man. How are you?
Doing well, thanks. There's your wings. Thank you, enjoy. So that order, since it was ready, took about 6 minutes all in. Absolutely love it. Now I got another one to go right back to that same wing place, $9.62, 15 minutes. Yes, finally, keep them coming, please. Let's go grab it. I'm back for Ewan. Ewan M. E-W-A-N. Perfect, thank you. So tonight's been really strange. It started off really strong, then I had a big break, and then I got 2 quick ones, now I got a big break. I'm still waiting for good orders. I'm still getting orders, they're just not great. I decided to take this one, $5, 12 minutes. It's really around the corner. If it's ready, I can knock it out, get a quick $5. Hopefully that gets me on a roll again. Wish me luck. Hi, picking up for Uber, CBE17. Wonderful, thank you. You too. So what happened again, I keep getting sporadic bursts of money. I got this one, $8.33. Trip radar coming in for only 16 minutes. Yes, 2 in a row again. Hopefully I don't go into a blackout. Have you seen this? Comment down below. Has this ever happened to you where you get orders in waves and then a big lull and then wave and then lull? Let me know what you do. Do you just call it a night when you get to that lull? Or are you persistent like I am tonight and continuing to wait until you can get those really good orders? I'm happy about this one. Love to hear your thoughts in the comments, and let me go grab it. Hi, Ubereats for Emily. Perfect, thank you. That last drop-off was so weird. When I got to the house, the pin told me it was right there. It was all lit up. It was like perfect. I couldn't see the number, so I started looking. I couldn't find it, but I saw the table. It said leave on table. The pin told me it was there. I felt good. Then I see the person at the door, and she turned off all the lights. I started questioning myself. Am I at the right house? Am I not? I quickly Googled the house, and sure enough, it was the right house. And as I was leaving, I saw the 71. But it was just weird. Why are you turning off the lights before I left? I had my headlamp on. I was very visible. I just have no idea why the lights got turned off. I didn't understand it, but thankfully, I got that money. But now I'm waiting, and I'm waiting, and I'm waiting. Tonight has just been a roller coaster. I'm getting offers, then I'm getting nothing. Getting offers, then I'm getting nothing. So I'm not going to wait around another 15, 20 minutes for something. I'm going to end my night here. But before I tell you my total, if you could like this video and subscribe to the channel, I would really appreciate it. My grand total for this evening, $65. Right on the nose, 65 bucks. I'll take it, even though I would have loved a little bit more, but I'm really happy with 65. And until next time, we'll see you later.